Show, General Manager, Crown Plaza Moscow, World Trade Center.
And what do you feel winning this prestigious award?
Yeah, it's fantastic feeling, you know. It's a great job of all team of the whole hotel. And of course, we as a part of World Trade Center. And for us, it's a great honor to have this Jubilee Awards. And we would like to thank a lot our organizers of this ceremony, which is great, in great hotel, in good country, very hospitality country, hospitality city. And I would like to thank once again. Thank you all. And it's a great honor to be here among our colleagues. And good luck for this ceremony in future.
So are you planning any developments at the hotel that maybe will help you win again?
Of course, we are going to renovate our hotel. Our hotel is very big, 724 rooms, and 149 rooms is completely new. It's a 5-star plus hotel, club rooms. And we have 575 rooms, which needs to be refurbished, and we will do it next year. And of course, we will continue participating in these awards.